Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, allow me to make an introduction to who I am. My name is Fikrizal Ganesha. I study at BUKK University, majoring in quantity surveyor. My PM is 19-97. On this occasion, I will try to explain the method of implementing pile foundation work. Let's get started. Pile foundation is a structural part of a building that divides the gravitational pressure evenly on the ground and functions so that the building built can be strong and stand firm. The materials used in the manufacture of piles: deformed bar, concrete, aggregate, and wire. Types of heavy equipment for piles installers: first, drop hammer, diesel hammer, hydraulic hammer, and vibratory pile driver. Preparation work for making foundations: first, conducting tests on the soil at the location of the foundation plan to determine the type of soil and the depth of the hard soil layer. Second, calculating the structure of the pile foundation so that the requirement for the size of the pile can be determined. Material specification and the depth of the pile so that it is strong to withstand the load of the building that is transferred to the calculation point. Third, the production of pile is made as many as 98 pieces can be done at the factory according to the calculation specification and then sent to the project site using a large truck. 4. The surveyor took measurements in the file to determine the points according to the drawing, then set up a survey tool theodolite to check the erection of the pile. The pile was lifted upright, then the position of the diesel hammer was raised and the pile kept on the pile head. 5th, the straightness of the pile position is controlled using 2 units of theodolite which are installed from 2 directions to ensure the position of the pile is upright and control it every 2 meters. The erection is carried out of the planned depth elevations. Pile foundation implementation method. First, the stake is placed in such a way that the hammer axle falls on the predetermined stake of the stake. Second, the mast is lifted at the lift point provided for each post. Third, the pole is erected beside the driving lead and the head of the pole is attached to the hammer which has been covered with wood as a guard and handle the pile head. Fourth, the lower end of the pile is carefully positioned on the predetermined stake. Fifth, adjustment of the vertical pole is done by adjusting the length of the backstay while being checked with a water pass in order to obtain a correct vertical positions. 6. Before building start, the bottom part of the pile is clamped with a scepter gate at the base of the driving lead so that the position of the pole does not shift during erections, especially for the first row. 7. Piling begins by lifting and dropping the hammer continuously into the helmet attached to the mast head. This is detailed primary pile and secondary pile of the building. So it is a presentation about the pile foundations. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.